To me, peace means love.
Peace, love, transformation,
Life.
justice,
Peace is live.
Humanity.
Yeah, love.
Happiness.
By peace, I mean harmony.
I believe this is a full faithful thing.
peace is self-transformation. Salam, mahabba,
First word that comes into mind when we talk about peace is harmony.
Peace, comfort, development, peace.
You have to respect one another.
When people talk about peace, in my mind it will come impossible, but now I think it's possible.
Ideal wallet, nice with all the good things.
Women!
peace means better world.
Word peace, I always think about cohesion, social cohesion.
I think of peace. The two words that come to my mind are Shanti or Aman.
I think about justice and happiness.
When I think of peace, it's a personal peace. The kind that I've found in this beautiful setting. Made this experience memorable is the fact that I now have the theory behind what I've been practicing for so long. And also the fact that I'm learning all of this with a bunch of really interesting and crazy women.
The most cherished moment is to know other feminists and other women from different country of the world.
Memorable thing? Okay, more than one thing. All the laughing exercises, the songs that we've sung, all the songs. Also, all the crying, like crying because of some stories that other people have shared. That's most memorable. Kamla ji, most memorable.
Okay. The best part that I loved about this workshop was that I had the opportunity to meet some really wonderful women who shared some really deep insights and experiences. I especially liked meeting Shadia and Stella, who I think I'm really inspired by more than anything else. So just having the opportunity to meet with someone who's worked on peace processes was something that was really special for me.
My memorable experience was human knot and all the role plays and group works. I enjoyed a lot and learned lots of things.
I think the whole workshop, I can't say one moment because it's the whole workshop, the whole training course. I mean, it's really too much.
The most memorable thing for me here will be the dancing and the cultural evening because I have been refraining myself, enjoying life, and I've learned to open up myself.
Negotiation exercise, facilitation skills, negotiation skills, and mediation skills, and then conflict transformation. That's all.
I learned from this workshop a lot information about different society, country, people.
For me, all the training experience, it was so inspirational, and I've learned a lot, and I am a different person now. And the moment I saw Bipasha dancing at the dinner, it was really good to see her.
So many things learned here about the workshops. This was important for me, but the Kamla class, this related with feminist women. So I know who I am.
The whole program is a very memorable experience for me. Most of the things that we learned about inside the classroom, those are generally known, but it's definitely better to know in structured, organized form, formal learning. And to experience, to get to know, meet personally and hear the people who have been actually in the field.
Here I learned a lot of tools regarding the peace analyze. That's very best for me to take some issues in my country and put out the framework, and I can analyze myself and I can take on that actions.
The most memorable experiences would be the ones, the laughter and the new insights that I gained inside, inside this during the sessions, and but most importantly would be the friendship gained even outside the session hall.
It's been a very nice time within different culture, different communities, different friends.
I really enjoyed being here to learn about diverse experiences, especially that I'm from Tunisia. I have no idea about what's going on in, for example, Pakistan or Philippines or any other country. And love yourself, love the other, because what determines who you are is your relationship according to others.
I cherish so much from this training, from this workshop, are so many wonderful women, and they are very inspiring and different ways. The most important thing is that we still have fun. Yeah, we even dance together and sing together. That was amazing.
The most memorable thing or the most cherished experience I have from this workshop is meeting other women from different countries and also sharing experiences with them, how they work on women, peace, negotiation, and mediation. And also dancing with them and singing, talking, and those experiences.
I think the best experience was we could able to meet lot of people who are working in different conflict area, and I think the experience they shared was very important.
Okay, my memorable experience here is when I learned a lot about gender and feminism, and for me it's very clear and it's so interesting. Also, the last session here is so interesting because many new things I learned here.
I think the most good experience is my first time to come to Asia, and I really love it and enjoy the friendly environment of the participant. And it's the first time to be with a woman, so I love it. I learn a lot from everybody, and it's a good experience. It's professional, the personal experience. It was interesting, and in addition to the knowledge that I will take with me back home. And I will never forget the exercise, all the exercise that we have been doing, in particular the one with the sibling, the other sibling. When I was so aggressive to Maria, and she's like, I'm your sister.
The most cherished moment out here in this training has been that it's very good to know people from all around the world. And I just enjoyed the class, Stella's class and Sadia's class, and they are very lively. I love Anuja. I love you too, Rabia. that is another cherished moment here.
Important thing that I have learned from this workshop is the word peace, meaning justice. And the other thing that I have learned is how to mediate, especially in the negotiation process.
Well, it's a transformation journey for me. When I came here as a participant, and I'm leaving as an activist.
Yes, I'm feminist.
I am. Yes, I did not have the gut to say so, but I think I am a feminist.
Yes.
I'm confused still.
I am now feminist.
Yes, I am a feminist.
I think yes.
Of course, born feminist.
I am a feminist.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm feminist.
Yes, I'm a feminist.
Oh yeah, of course.
Well, I am.
I'm a human rights activist.
I am converted feminist, I think.
I can't define it, but I know that I work for peace and women's rights.
I am feminist.
I think I am.
Yeah, I am a feminist.
Yes.
I don't like labels, but I'm aware of women's rights and I defend them when they need to be defended.
Yes.
Woman.